The skeletal system. Our journey begins with the human skeleton, a framework made up of 206 bones, which serves as the body's structural foundation. The structure of bones is astonishing. They're lightweight, yet incredibly strong. Their primary function is to provide support, protection, and allow for movement. Bones come in various shapes and sizes. Long bones, like your femur, provide support, while flat bones, such as the skull, offer protection. Short bones, like those in your wrist, allow for intricate movements. Ever wondered what bones are made of? They're a complex blend of minerals, collagen, and living cells. This composition makes them resilient and dynamic. Within bones, we find bone marrow, the soft and spongy tissue responsible for producing blood cells. Red marrow creates red blood cells, while yellow marrow stores fat. Bone growth is a fascinating process. During childhood and adolescence, bones lengthen through the growth plates. These plates close in adulthood, and our bones reach their final size. Joints are where bones meet, allowing for movement. From the ball and socket hip joint to the hinge-like elbow joint, each has a unique range of motion. Maintaining bone health is crucial. Adequate nutrition, including calcium and vitamin D, as well as weight-bearing exercises, help keep bones strong and resilient. Like any part of the body, bones can face challenges. Conditions like osteoporosis, fractures, and arthritis can impact bone health. In conclusion, the skeletal system is a true wonder. It's not just the body's frame, but also a dynamic, living part of us. Understanding its importance can lead to a lifetime of healthy living. We hope you've enjoyed this brief exploration of the skeletal system. Remember, our bones are the silent heroes of our bodies. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the wonders of the skeletal system.